So we've known for some time now that Viva Goals will be retired December 2025, leaving organizations with less than a year to migrate to another OKR platform. And even though a lot of people are discussing what that next OKR software should be, not a lot of people are discussing how you can migrate from Viva Goals to another OKR software easily. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways you can migrate from Viva Goals to your next OKR software. Now, one of those ways is going to be with an API key, which is more for the technical IT side of things. The other one is going to involve you exporting your goals from Viva Goals to an Excel file and then uploading them to your next OKR software. And I'm also going to be showing you one-step migration process, which is going to take out all the manual work from it. Now, in this video, the OKR software we will be migrating to from Viva Goals is going to be Teamflect, because Teamflect is hands down the best Viva Goals alternative. Not only does it have all the same OKR features that Viva Goals has and then some, but it is also an official Microsoft partner, and it fits in the Microsoft ecosystem perfectly. It even has a better Microsoft Teams integration than Viva Goals ever did. You can learn more about Teamflect, schedule a free demo, or try it for free yourself by clicking any of the links in the description. Now, let's get to the video. The first migration method we will be looking at is the easiest because it is the one where you don't do any of the work. We do it for you. That's right, Teamflect offers free Viva Goals Migration Assistance. That means we transfer all your goals from Viva Goals for you and you don't do anything. Not only does Teamflect offer free migration assistance, but if you're coming in from Viva Goals, we offer you a 25% discount, no questions asked. So you can literally stop this video now, click one of the links in the description, and you will practically be halfway there. That being said, let's move on to some of the manual ways of migrating from Viva Goals. The first method we will be looking at is how you can export your goals from Viva Goals to an Excel spreadsheet and then upload them back to your next OKR software, in this case, Teamflect. So how exactly do we export OKRs from Viva Goals to Excel? Let's take a look. Here we are inside Microsoft Teams, and we're going to be heading into Viva Goals. Now that the app is fired up, to export your OKRs, all you need to do is head over to Explorer and view all your objectives. Right here, we can see our objectives and the key results associated with them, so the goals and the sub-goals. And to export them into Excel, I need to head over to the export icon. Once I do that, I have 2 options, PowerPoint and Excel. Let's select Excel. And right here we have 3 very crucial sections. We can select the format. Is this going to be a CSV or an XLSX? And once we select it, we can select which fields we want included right here. And most importantly, make sure you export all the children, so the sub-goals and the key results of those sub-goals. Right, and we'll export the tag values as separate columns. And once we do that, we need to click Export. So you will receive your exported OKRs in your inbox. And we can look at the email we received and then click Download. Once we do that, they look something like this. So we can see all the different fields that we included in our export. They look something like this. This is what your export will look like. Now, once you have your exported OKRs, all you really need to do is head over to Teamflect's Admin Center, and right here you can see that Teamflect allows you to upload goals in bulk through a CSV file. That's how easy it is. Now, the last method we will be looking at today is through an API key, and like I said in the beginning of this video, this is a more technical way of doing things. So for this process, you really want to involve your IT team. That being said, let's dive right in and let me show you how you can migrate from Viva Goals to Teamflect through an API key. Once again, through the Teamflect Admin Center, you can upload API keys. So we're heading over to API keys, and right here we have the option to create a new key. So we're going to be calling our new API key Viva Goals, and we're going to make sure that this key is valid forever. Once we click Add, we can see that the new API key has just been created right here. Now, you can find the documentation for your API keys right here. So once you enter this section, you need to get some assistance from your IT team. But following these steps, you can migrate from Viva Goals to Teamflect through API, no problems. But that about brings us to the end of this video. What did you think? What are your opinions on Viva Goals announcing that they will be shutting down out of the blue? Just let me know in the comments. We release helpful Microsoft content like this one every single week. Subscribe so you don't miss any of it. And if you want to try the best OKR software in the Microsoft ecosystem, Teamflect, for absolutely free, you can always click the link in the description. Bye-bye.